should launch. Eagle Scouts reporting for duty. They're on the right track.
Oh,
What?
there's another plane
Hey,
back there.
Sal. Hey, Franklin. Any luck catching butterflies? I read that butterflies start out as little caterpillars before building a
I
cocoon
wanna see the.
and finally becoming a full-grown butterfly. Don't tell Sally. Oh my God!
Hey, Mom.
I want
Drop it launched. Oh, imagine we were under the track when it launched.
Oh my God.
No, it hasn't launched. Oh, they're barely gonna launch.
Yeah.
Snoopy's built a spider
Good.
in the desert someplace, but no one has seen him for years and years. Oh, there he is.
He's right there.
Good grief.
Oh my gosh.
Right?
So,
I'm not getting on that.
Where's Silver Bullets going? Oh yeah, barely going. Oh, Silver Bullets barely ending.
Boomerang!
Boomerang? It's still there? Oh no, they're taking it apart.
Yeah,
You can see the track.
you can't see the other side, huh?
Oh, that's sad. That's sad.
Cheers, look at that. No.
Hold up. Raccoons. There was a raccoon there. They drove pipe.
Why?
Ooh, that train though. Whoa.
Delete the video. Delete it.